Hello, thank you for previewing my listing. If you would like to schedule an appointment to see this home, please contact me and I will be happy to arrange this for you. A lovely home with beautiful upgrades now available in Marvilla Estates, a 55+ gated community. Are you looking for peaceful living surrounded by beautiful hill views? This light-filled home has plantation shutters throughout, fire sprinklers and recessed lighting. Cooking will be a delight in this gorgeous kitchen with slab granite counters, rich espresso cabinetry and upgraded stainless steel appliances. The spacious breakfast bar will become a favorite spot to enjoy coffee or a light meal. The master bed and bath offers a walk-in closet, generous soaking tub, dual vanities and a walk-in shower. The front drip system has moisture sensing technology built in to help you save money on water. The rear paver patio offers you an abundance of choices for your outdoor leisure activities.